Welcome, fellow investor. Welcome to another exciting update on YieldMax. There are now ways you can invest and diversify your portfolio using YieldMax ETF, thanks to their effort of adding more funds. So today we're going to look at a brand new fund. This is SQY, which is a square or a block. So we're going to see why it offers, and we're going to look at the chart of the stock itself that this fund is investing under, and we're going to see the range and what's prediction of that particular stock. And also we're going to look at the prediction of the distribution, how much they're going to pay in distribution based on the data that I have. So the objective of this particular fund right now, the Square. So first of all, fund overview. The YieldMax Square Option Income Strategy ETF is an active managed fund that seeks to generate monthly income by selling writing call option on SQ, which is block. Square pursue a strategy that aim to harvest a compelling yield while retaining captive participation in the price gain of Square or block. The fund objective, primary investment objective of this fund is to, of course, to seek an income, and a secondary objective is to have exposure to the price of a common stock of Block Inc. The ticker symbol is SQ, subject to limit on potential investment gain. We look at the distribution right now. Of course, there's no distribution, but I'm going to give you the number of distribution, how much it's going to be. We look at the fund information. The ticker symbol is SQY. Fund inception date was on the 10/10, so October 10, 2023. As I've always mentioned, so the fund, of course, inception is that date is after the market, and then so the fund actually started trading yesterday, and today is the second day on the market, and the primary exchange is New York Stock Exchange. We look at the gross expense ratio is 0.99, so less than 1%, same as any other YieldMax ETFs. We look at the SEC yield. Right now we don't have that number. We look at the net asset so far within a couple of days. It has accumulated about 3 million. Net asset value is 2012, so $20.20. We look at the share outstanding is 150,000. Premium discount right now is about 0.38 because the price is lower than what it is, so the premium closing price was 2019. We're going to look at the holdings. So as I've mentioned, this fund, but it does not hold stocks or anything like that. It does a right call on Square or Block. So in doing so, they hold pretty much a treasury and to right call using the treasury as collateral. Let's go to look at the YieldMax Option Income Strategy ETF on this website here. You'll find us. We can see the New York Stock Exchange. The price range of was between 1972 to 2029. 52-week range, of course, it just started yesterday, so it's pretty much the same. Volume was about 13,800. Average volume so far within a couple of days has averaged about 4,300. Expense ratio of discussed is 0.99. And aftermarket, of course, it went down by 0.05. About 1 cent, so 19 right now is 1983. That's the price is going to probably open tomorrow. So now let's look at the block. I've been mentioning a block or Square. So the reason why I'm mentioning that, first of all, we need to know what this company does. This company, the name used to be Square, and in 2021, couple years ago, they changed it from Square to Block. This company was established or was co-founded by Jack Dorsey, who was also a co-founder of Twitter. This company is pretty much is a fintech company, so they do payment processing. We'll look at the stock itself right now is 45, but we look at the 52-week range is between 40 to 90. So right now is almost 50% down. But the prediction of the stock right now, according to analysts, these are the analyst price target is about $77, almost $80. So if you are to buy this particular stock today, you are 1 year target, you are expected to double your money. So that will be the same true to the YieldMax SQY. It will go up if the stock goes up, but of course it will go up to a point where it's capped, based on the call that they write. We'll look at the volume. Right now is about over 13 million. So this is pretty good because we need more volume when you write calls. So this is a pretty good for YieldMax. When it comes to beta is the gauge where it's compared volatility of the stock versus the market, which is S&P 500. So S&P 500, the beta is only 1. So this stock is over 2 times the volatility of the stock market. What this means is that the stock having this beta, it will give you more volatility, and that's a very good sign for YieldMax to make more money. Because when you look at the Tesla, which is the stock that pays one of the highest, YieldMax, it has a beta of 2.6. When you look at the Coinbase, it has a 2.24, and right now Coinbase pay about 75% in dividends, and Tesla pays about 50%. So prediction of this one, when it comes to dividend distribution, based on this number, will be pretty high. The number here will be between 50 to 60. That's a prediction of dividend. And when they're going to pay, of course, they're not going to pay now. They're going to pay in almost, if you buy today, you're going to get the first dividend will be in December. We look at all other ETF that they have right now. We have a Tesla, we have ARK, we have PayPal, we have Nvidia, we have Amazon, Facebook, Google, Coney, or Coinbase. We have Netflix, we have Disney, we have Microsoft, we have ExxonMobil, we have JP Morgan, we have AMD, we have PayPal, and now we have Block or Square. So all these, they have higher dividends. The only one that hasn't started paying yet so far is AMD and PayPal, because these are the newer comer. So these will be paying in November, and Square will be paying in December. So that's it. I just want to give you an update on the YieldMax ETFs. Oh, if it's first time, just, and if you like my content, give me a thumb up. And if you want to be in the loop so you can get these updates that I always update you on, just make sure you subscribe and follow. Thank you very much for watching. Till we meet again on next video. Bye bye.